Hi, and welcome back to another episode of Fiction Kitchen with Juliana from the York County Public Library. Today, we're going to look at some drinks from two of the most famous magical worlds. The first will be Butterbeer, which appears all throughout the Harry Potter series by J.K. Rowling. This recipe can be found in the Unofficial Harry Potter Cookbook by Dinah Bucholz. And the second will be the warm and creamy drink that the White Witch makes in the second book of the Chronicles of Narnia, The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe by C.S. Lewis. This recipe can be found in the Unofficial Narnia Cookbook, also by Dinah Bucholz. Now, let's get to cooking. These are possibly my favorite drinks of this series, with Butterbeer taking the top. The Butterbeer recipe was surprisingly simple to make and had a sweet, buttery toffee taste that is a tamer version of the super sweet Butterbeer from Universal Studios. The hot vanilla drink was also easy to make. I wasn't sure what to expect from this beverage, since it is only described as very sweet and foamy and creamy, but I think Dinah's recipe was a good recreation. It was sweet, although not very foamy, but definitely creamy. All in all, great drinks for a cold day. What did you think? Be sure to join us next time on Fiction Kitchen. And thanks for watching.